Hey guys, week 9. All right, great news is that we are done with dissection labs, so you don't have to cut open an animal for the rest of the semester. This week you've got a couple lectures to watch. One is on chordates. Now we did part 1 last week, so this week is going to be reptiles, birds, and mammals. All right, we did fish and amphibians, and then like the invertebrate chordates last time. So reptiles, birds, and mammals are this week. You also have one on primate evolution. So we're going to be looking at primates. That's the group that we fit into, and then how we've gotten to the modern humans that we have today. So those are the 2 lectures that you'll watch. You do not have any labs, so that's the good news. You have a review quiz due at the end of the week on Sunday. So both of those, the first one's kind of long, the second one is a little bit shorter, but like all together, I know 4 hours of lecture is a lot, but since you don't have a lab, just break it down into small pieces. Like if you can only do an hour one day, then do another hour next day, and just make a plan. Now the other thing, since we don't have any labs or anything like that, I want you to spend all of the other free time that you would normally be doing labs studying for the next test, all right? So exam 3 is going to be Monday and Tuesday, so the 25th and the 26th. So just make sure you're prepared for that. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me Blackboard messages, and I'll be glad to help or like clarify anything you need help with. Okay? Just excuse me. One more heads up. I think like we're at the point in the semester where I can start to be honest and open up a little bit. I do really dumb things sometimes. So I've signed up for a race this weekend, and I promise there's a point to this. It's a 48-hour race, so from 9 a.m. on Friday to 9 a.m. on Sunday, I'm going to be running in a loop, seeing how many miles I can get in. So the only reason I'm even bringing that up is that's the weekend before exam 3. I'm not going to be checking Blackboard during that time. I'm not going to be available. I'll usually try to check Blackboard once or twice on the weekend, but I won't be able to do that this upcoming weekend. And then honestly, I'm going to be pretty out of it when the race is over on Sunday too. So I'll be back in the office on Monday, regular time, unless like something medically weird happens, and I'll be here. But just if you send me a message over the weekend about the test or anything like that, I'll respond and I'll get back to you, but it'll probably be like Monday afternoon or so, okay? So go ahead and start looking at this early, and you can just send me a message, and then throughout the week, I'll definitely be checking and respond. All right, so if you need anything, let me know. Thanks.